Okay, I figured out how to do a few things in Accelerate for groupings and to add things to their course if needed. So if I go into Math for Kindergarten and I go to the editor, you can go to Group Settings and you click on this little Tools button, click Manage Groupings. I want to add a group. So my second group, I'm just going to call this one Class. And I'm going to do a fixed number in 2 groups. And I want to do none for the group assignment. And I'm going to generate that. So now it makes 2 different courses. And maybe I want to edit those. So I'm calling this second one Marble, because maybe for Harvey, I want to do a different setting for him. So in class 1, I'm going to put everybody else. And I'm going to put Harvey in this other class because I want to edit the assignments that he's receiving. So I click Save. And now, if you go back to your group settings, I have my class where everybody is, and I also have Marble. So if there were certain things I wanted to take off for him, I could do those, and it would apply just to him. It wouldn't apply to the rest of the class. So that's a way that you can edit where some of your students maybe need to adapt how much work that they're doing. So that's one way that you can do it. Okay, another way that you can add things to their assignment is at any point you can click on Go to Clipboard. And let's say I want to work in language arts again for kindergarten. And I want to choose someone that's in that class. So I'll choose a kindergartner. And I want to add an assignment for him. So maybe I want him to work on letters. I'm going to have him go to Starfall. And I'm going to put in this address. Click OK. So in this activity, I can add an extra thing for him. I click Next. I'm going to do it in the letter A activity. And click Next, and then you can assign. So it gives him an extra activity to do that I've created. That's just for Oliver Ash. So hopefully that will help you understand how to create groupings where you can take off assignments, and then you can also assign extra intervention or needs if needed for one student or multiple.